Latest research and development. 1. The universe just sent us a spooky bat signal. A ghostly, cosmic bat, nebula, glowing red with newborn stars, has been captured by ESO's telescope in Chile. 2. AI is learning to be selfish, study warns. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University have discovered that certain AI models can develop self-seeking behavior. 3. MIT's radical new method lets scientists see inside atoms. MIT physicists have unveiled a groundbreaking way to explore the hidden interior of atoms, without the need for massive particle colliders. 4. Scientists unlock the cancer-fighting power of the rarest element on Earth. Texas A&M researchers have unlocked a new way to harness astatine-211, a rare and powerful isotope that may revolutionize cancer treatment. 5. Amazon scorpion venom shows promise as next-generation breast cancer drug. Researchers at the University of São Paulo have discovered a molecule in arachnid venom that behaves like a commonly used chemotherapy drug for treating the disease, with preliminary findings presented at FAPESP Week France. 6. This clever telescope hack just opened a sharper view of the universe. This is the first time the novel imaging technique has been applied to telescopes. 7. The stunning meteor shower that has scientists worried. The Tauride meteor shower's dazzling, Halloween fireballs may be more than just a cosmic show. 8. Scientists finally discover why pumpkins absorb pollution. Japanese scientists have found that a small change in plant proteins explains why pumpkins and zucchini absorb more pollution than other crops. 9. Creepy science that's changing the world in surprising ways. Lab-grown, mini brains offer new insight into the human mind. 10. This hidden brain pulse could predict dementia. Scientists have visualized the brain's hidden heartbeat, unlocking new clues to aging and Alzheimer's. 11. This unknown desert berry could hold the secret to treating diabetes, scientists say. A little-known desert berry may hold the key to fighting diabetes. 12. Beached dolphins show Alzheimer's-like brain damage. Researchers investigating why dolphins sometimes strand on beaches have uncovered an unsettling link between toxic algae and Alzheimer's-like brain damage. 13. A strange discovery in snake pee could change medicine. Many reptiles excrete solid uric acid crystals instead of liquid urine, a water-saving adaptation that could hold clues for human medicine. 14. Scientists completely eliminate leukemia in preclinical model. New triple therapy reprograms cancer cell death, helping the immune system destroy tumors. 15. The sun's fiery secret waves discovered after 80 years of searching. Scientists have finally observed long-sought twisting magnetic waves, known as torsional Alfvén waves, in the sun's corona, ending an 8-decade search that began in the 1940s. Thanks for watching this video.